how to turn on aim assist in Fortnite PS5. So what you want to do is press the options button on your controller. Once you click on it, then we will go into settings. So just click on settings. Then you want to navigate to the wireless controller section, which is going to be that one. And now you want to press the X button, scroll down until you see advanced settings. So here, use advanced options. You want to press X and then slide it to the right. Now here you will see advanced sensitivity and precision aim assist strength, and also tracking aim assist strength. So here you just want to change this to 100 if it's not already set to 100. Afterwards you will go back, you will save your changes, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.